Alrighty, here's the real action, guys. Just adding more to the pile, but the whole pile of dirt is like as tall as the truck. I think I smell something bad. Might be a little too much dirt to look at. Now he's loading it. Seems that there's a little bit of a smoke machine on site, if that's what this thing is. Seems that every 2 scoop they're adding dirt to the pile. Oh, I think it's another truck coming. They'll probably come in after this one. It's like a Kenworth T880. Really working here. Scoop is going into the truck. Wow, this is taking a while. The driver's just doing something. But yeah. See, there's a guy down in the pit. Don't know what he's doing. Oh, looks like he's working onward. Just having a chat with the dump truck driver. Probably telling him to maneuver a bit. Maybe not too much. I hope he's not leaving the site. Alright, here they go. Now they're really starting to load the mound into the truck. There's a lot of dirt being dug up today. 6 hauled a lot of dirt, I know. Just spreading out the dirt. Better beware of where I step. Like a good filming area for this video. Oh, you barely even see the dirt sticking up over the top. What a mound. Wow. Didn't expect someone to be smoking here. Better not breathe anything. Okay, looks like they're done here. They're putting the tarp over the truck. Another truck on standby. Well, they brought the chainsaw. Supposedly another dump truck somewhere. Yes, there is a Kenworth T80. I think it's gonna back up to get loaded with dirt. And here it comes. Normally when I'm out on these mornings, I'm here to look for waste management trucks and garbage trucks, but I do also tend to capture heavy equipment working like I'm doing here. Okay, looks like he's getting ready for the truck to come in. They're really devouring through the mound. Here it is. This video's 9 minutes already. Now I don't see any more dump trucks. But yeah, this is awesome. Of dirt. Piling it into the truck. I bet you guys are gonna love this video. Big rock. And they're just throwing it over there. We're using the grading bucket for this. Still much more mounds of dirt. Another big scoop of dirt. Look at that. I've enjoyed filming this kind of content, and I bet you guys love watching machines work. I know a lot of people love this kind of stuff. Tough to get at some dirt. Maybe I should move over here for this part. It's, I think, around 10 after 7 in the morning. I'm out on my usual early morning walks. Mostly I come out here to do this kind of stuff. Gathering up some dirt. Comes a Mac MRU Waste Connections. Back to this. Well, it looks like the truck is leaving now. Put the tarp over it. Off it goes. You lowered the dead axle. Away it goes with a load of dirt. Wow, this is really awesome, guys. I'm so glad I came out here to capture this. I don't see any other truck coming, but I guess that's it for this video.